This summer we spent a few days next to the Avon Banwy, near Welshpool. This flows into the Vyrnwy and then onto the Severn. I flew my drone for about 600 metres upstream, and then I walked the bank. Many of the rocks had otter sprains, and this one had evidence that they had been eating crayfish. This stretch of river was a kingfisher highway, with a pair flying constantly up and downstream. I tried without success to film them, but I could hear them from a long way off as they announced their presence. A grey wagtail bobbed across the stones, feeding on low-flying insects. A pair of dippers had established territory on this stretch of stream. They dip underwater, open their wings and use the current to push them on the bottom, where they walk and turn stones and search out invertebrates. Any stretch of river is always busy, so sit still and watch a stretch and let the wildlife come to you.